Banerjee, the founder and managing partner of ThinkStar. Would like to sincerely thank Mr. Pat Maniktola. It's my immense pleasure. Thank you so once again. You flight cancelled your meetings and came all the way from Mumbai to meet me today. Thank you, sir, once again. Would like to let all of our existing clients, I'd like to inform all our existing clients back in Australia that from now onwards, all social media marketing campaigns, what I always say, the Cartier way, uh, the premium marketing campaigns, our Think Start India team, corporate national ambassador, Mr. Pat Maniktola, is going to provide the service with all his technocrats from here. And the whole concept is with his guidance and with his expertise and his team's expertise, we want to run premium account target marketing campaigns so that your end clients either purchase your product and services and pay the top dollar in return for services you provide, or they don't do business, but certainly they should feel embarrassed to use the word discount. Hence, for example, you may be selling watches. So instead of selling 100 watches at 50, instead of giving 50% discount, if you sell at full price, that'll have a positive impact on your bottom line. Hence, you'll be able to grow. That Think Start India corporate national ambassador, Pat Maniktola, and his team, they have got the expertise and talent. Let me introduce Pat. Thanks once again. Please tell us how you're going to help our clients in Australia so that they can get they don't have to give discount anymore, and they can charge the right price from the right target market for the premium services they offer. Please, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. First of all, it's an absolute pleasure, meeting you once
you.
again.
Thank you.
You know, you've, your diligence, the way the way you've worked on creating ThinkStart. I think hats off to you. I think the biggest challenge that most Australian companies are feeling right now is that there are a bunch of marketing companies, and the bunch of marketing companies uh, are putting millions of dollars, and essentially it's all boiled down to content. Um, for us, having worked with the Amazon, having worked with Roche, having worked with multiple companies all over the world, I feel that it's high time that we use digital advertising spend very efficiently.
Mhm.
For every dollar that we spend,
Mhm.
we reach out to a person who can actually buy from you,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
What's currently happening is that we're putting millions of dollars and showcasing our ads to people who would never purchase your product.
Mhm.
And eventually, even if they get to know about you, what they want is, like you said, a discount because they can't afford it.
Mhm.
So what we intend to do and what we've done and how we plan to work together is that we want to cater to Australian companies and help them create efficient, smart, and intelligent marketing campaigns that via digital medium we reach out to specific customer need,
Mhm.
right? When we match a specific customer need
Right.
to your brand,
Yes.
we automatically
Mhm.
have a connection, right?
Perfect.
And if we can do that,
Mhm.
only then do we see that they don't ask for a discount.
Yes.
What they ask is for your service
Yes.
or your product,
Right.
and that's essentially is our core expertise,
Right.
and that's essentially the sort of team that I have in India,
Yes.
where we have really smart content writers, we have smart digital marketers,
Yes.
who work to create this sort of digital campaigns which work to ensure that each dollar, having said that again, each dollar is spent efficiently.
Mhm.
And that's something that I think we do that in Europe, we do that in US. um,
Europe, which countries you're catering at the moment, Parth?
so we have clients in around 10 countries.
Right.
Most of them are fall in Europe
Right.
and US.
Right.
We also have clients in Singapore.
Right.
Now, since these are evolved markets in terms of digital media,
Yes.
I think Australia is getting there,
Yes.
and I think it's high time that people understand how to use digital medium well,
Right.
right?
Right.
Rather than doing some small marketing campaign and expecting an ROI on that,
Right.
right?
Right.
So that's essentially, I think, if we can work with Australian companies, what we could do is we can help them plan these marketing campaigns, work with their brand strategy,
Yes.
work with their marketing strategy,
Yes.
and use our impetus of digital
Spot on.
to reach out to maximum set of people.
Right.
And I think with your expertise, you can guide the Australian companies with how they can do that, educate them,
Right.
right? Because it's not just about working on a marketing campaign. They also have to know how a digital marketing campaign really works.
Yes.
And with your expertise, you can do that, right?
Thank you.
So I think it's a fantastic opportunity. I think
Thank you.
we hopefully
Thank you.
we do some really good work together,
Wonderful.
and I hope we can create a lot of value.
Certainly. One last question.
Yes, please.
You run other companies in India. I think through one of your company you offer service to Amazon in
Yeah.
India. Am I right?
Yeah.
Can you just please explain what kind of how you do things differently to Amazon India as a result? They're one of your loyal clients. If you can just tell in few
Right. So
bullet
for
points.
Amazon, we don't just work in India. So we work with Amazon India, we work with Amazon US, we work with Amazon Mexico, and we work with Amazon US.
Okay, so
And
you're
India.
working for Amazon
India,
India,
US, Mexico,
US.
and China.
Oh, Amazon India, Amazon US, Amazon Mexico, and Amazon China. I
Yeah.
see. I see.
So essentially, we basically help them launch a brand
Yes.
in all 4 countries.
Right.
So Amazon also has multiple products of their own.
Right.
Right. So we help them launch a brand in all
Yes.
these 4 countries.
Yes.
Essentially into consumer electronics.
Right.
So really handy mobile phones, Bluetooth
Yes.
speakers,
Yes.
smartwatches, and things like that. So
Right.
we developed the entire brand for them. We created a brand strategy. We helped them position the brand in, because all these markets are bombarded with multiple manufacturers, and
Yes.
it's a competition of, oh, I have better camera, I have better features, I have this.
Yes.
So how do we differentiate ourselves,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And that's what we did for them. So
Right.
we created an entire digital strategy, we created an entire brand strategy.
Mhm.
How and we've been fairly successful in doing that.
Great,
So
great.
so that's what we did for Amazon.
Perfect. Thanks a lot once again for explaining all these things, and we hope that after March, after my return back to Australia, probably in the month of February, we'll be offering the premium services, the premium account target marketing services through our ThinkStart India Global Corporate Ambassador, Mr. Parth Maniktola and his team. Thanks once again, Parth, for coming.
Thank you
Thanks a
so
lot.
much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Thank
Thank you.